Earlier this year I decided to start a gardening club in prep school as my role as science coordinator. I reached out to parents to see if anybody could help donate any seeds or old pots to get us started. And very kindly, a parent in my previous class came forward to donate pots and some old seeds she had in the shed, and a wonderful charity which belongs to an auntie of one of the children in last year's Year 5 called Cultivating Change sent us a bumper pack of seeds to enable us to get started, which was great. The children and I took over 2 raised planter beds that were currently being used by Heaton Hall, which weren't needed anymore, and we weeded them to get them ready to plant our seeds. After returning from the summer holidays, we were pleasantly surprised by the amount of veg and flowers that had grown thanks to the rain we had during the summer holidays. We were able to then harvest it one lunchtime when we came back. We were able to pick a harvest moon pumpkin, some Swiss chard and spring onions, and also the plants at the end have also flourished, which have encouraged loads of bees to the planters, which has been wonderful. I then arranged with food tech to see if we could come up and cook some of our produce so the children got to see it from the ground to their plate, which was wonderful. We decided to go for a phyllo pastry parcel, which included the pumpkin and Swiss chard. We mixed that in a bowl with feta and ricotta and added the spring onion, and the children baked these in the oven.
What I like about gardening club is it's a really enjoyable experience, and it's fun to pick vegetables and plant flowers.
In the spring we planted sunflowers, pumpkins and squash.
I planted a sunflower seed and it grew quite well and took it home. We took all the vegetables to the food tech room and we made feta rolls.
I liked rolling the pastry and kind of putting it all in, all the stuff.
It's really fun planting, picking up the vegetables and going to the cooking lab again, food tech.
The children can see food growing right from seed to then make it into a meal and be able to eat the produce, and I think just an appreciation of where our food comes from. It's wonderful for the kids to be able to link their learning about plants, which they cover in Key Stage 2, to what we've been doing in Gardening Club, learning about the different parts of plants. And also it's so wonderful to get the children outdoors and make use of our wonderful grounds here at Seaford College. In the better weather, Gardening Club will be starting up again, so please look out for it on the clubs list and get signed up.
People should join up because gardening club is a lot of fun.
Gardening!